Hey guys, how to create a digital clock using Python. It's pretty simple. Let's go. First, let's import Tkinter library to create our application. For this, write from Tkinter import all. Let's create a window variable using Tkinter. Next, let's add title to our window. For example, what time is. Next, let's create the function with our time. Then let's add the string format of our time with string format time function. We have on this function because we need to import time. From time, we import string format time. And next, add the format, hours, next column, next minutes, and next seconds. Next, let's configure our label dot config. We haven't label. Let's create a label equals label with from Tkinter label, and write here our window. Then text of our label equals string time. Let's format the code. Then let's make the display of the time change every second. This write label dot after direct number of milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds is equals 1 second, and then write function name. It's a time. Finally, let's back our label back, and anchor it center. Okay, let's run our time function, and let's run our main loop Tkinter app. Let's check it. Run our main function, and we have a small clock. How to customize it? For this, go to our label and let's add other parameters. For example, font. We can use any font, and now I want to increase our clock. For example, it will be 100 font size. And also we can change the color of our time. For example, foreground will be blue. Let's check once more. Run our main function, and we have a different clock, which is nice to look at. Have a nice day, have a good mood. See you.